Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for Tuesday, January 15th, 2020. And I have a very good signal to share with you. Today is for US dollar versus Swiss franc, USDCHF, okay? And if you look here on the 30-minute chart and 1 hour chart, I have it on the 1 hour chart, but 30-minute chart in particular shows a strong signal to buy. And the arrow has not repainted. Okay, meaning this is a pretty strong level of support right now. Okay, and we see the price that come down here up and down. It's been riding sideways in this like range of motion here for the last about last 2 hours. Okay, last hour and a half to 2 hours, it's been sitting right here. Okay, and even on the hourly chart, okay, we see here drop down here, and this new candle here where the arrow formed is probably the lowest point right now. Okay, this next candle is up higher. Okay, so it looks like it's starting to form an uptrend already. Now, to be 100% safe, you can draw a trend line coming down like this, okay, or like this. Okay, we have all these points right here that match up, so that's a pretty solid trend line there. That's your resistance. All right, with all these points match up. This candle right here broke, but there was no up arrow, so you would never buy at that point. But this right here is a pretty solid trend line. All we have to do is wait for that trend line to break. And you can do this on your cell phone, doesn't matter, on your mobile app. So anyhow, once that breaks, you can definitely buy. You can also draw a Fibonacci from his point down to this point, and where the 23.6 level is, where that crosses the trend line, I call that X marks the spot. Okay, so basically that is where, supposedly, not exactly where, but that's about where this is going to break. Okay, and it might break a little bit below it right in here, but once it crosses this 23.6 level, it's going to keep going up. Okay, and what I would do is I would put a buy stop pin order just a little bit above that 23.6 level, okay, and then put a take profit a little higher up, okay, below the 38.2 level, which you see right in here. Okay, and all you have to do is just come to new order and change this from market execution to pin in order, and then choose buy stop, and then right here at the add price put in 0.96, we'll say 750. Okay, maybe 780. I can always readjust it, and then take profit, put 0.96, right? 0.96 870. Let's see how that looks. Okay, I don't know. Okay, it looks pretty good. And so I got a buy stop pin order here and take profit here. Okay, I might want to bring that down just like here, but either way, that looks pretty good right there like that, and I'm just going to leave it alone. So all I have to do is just wait for its price to go up. It might take a couple of hours, but that's fine. Okay, I can wait it out. The thing is, I do not want to buy right now, because what if the price keeps dropping? Okay, we don't know. We cannot foresee the future exactly. All these support and resistance levels are not set in stone. They're not 100%. Okay, we have what was a solid support right here with an up arrow, and it did go up, right? But eventually it went back down even lower. Okay, it just took a few days for the price to come back down. So eventually all these support and resistance levels will be broken at some point. So you cannot always say that yes, the price is going to go up right now, but what we have to identify are our trends. Okay, once we identify our trend lines, and when the trend lines break, that's when we know we need to get into the trade. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about how to trade this particular signal or any of my other Telegram signals I posted today. Okay, and I'll be more than happy to help you. If you have not joined my Telegram signal group, where I post around 10 signals every single day, please contact me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. You can contact me there. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group, and you can join that as well. And you can post any questions or comments in my Facebook group, and myself or other traders can be happy to assist you. Okay, so with that said, thank you, have a wonderful day, and just let me know if I can help you. Thank you.